Hey traders, welcome to the day trading recap for January 25th, 2023. Let's take a look at what we did today. Really nice day today, linear day on the market. Just was trading some Tesla there in the after hours, which ended up working pretty nicely for myself. But anyways, we were basically on some SPX puts this morning. Then we grabbed some calls into the end of the day there on an idea, and yeah, pretty good trading. We had an SPX. I'll walk through all the trades here on the SPX. So this morning, we had some 39.35 puts, which ended up working pretty nicely. We ended up grabbing some 39.95 calls. We ended up getting stopped out of those and then getting back into some puts, 39.40 puts. Ended up getting more of a dip on those, about 30% move on that. Then we rolled into the 39.85 calls at $6. We sold half at 50%, 9.20. And then we ended up doing a credit spread on that call idea, 39.95s, legged against it, and that was a 10-cent credit, and that ended up being a 10,000% move at the end of the day there. The spread did max out, so once legged in, ended up working pretty nicely there. On the option side, a couple different trades. Most notable was BA off the lows, so BA kind of got that little dip in the afternoon there. BA, we had the 207.50 call idea for 211%, BA 215. Call idea for 145%. Amazon, the 96 calls off the lows as well. That ended up going 145% on that idea. Google, 94 puts this morning for 65%. And then, of course, we had a couple other things like NVIDIA. NVIDIA 180 puts for about 20%. ZS puts the 110s for about 30% on that. The Guild 85 calls for about 30%. Fucho calls for 45%. W, we were long some 55 calls on that idea. It didn't end up working, so that one ended failing. Unfortunately, J&J, the 170 calls ended up being about a 20% trade on that. UNH 505 calls ended up not working. Equity side, LRN short for 1 point this morning off the top on that idea. DLTR long for 2 points intraday. BA long for 3 points off the lows. EMPH long for 3 points off the lows. Tesla long for 5 points. Basically was a long all day there, not including the earnings plays. And then SEDG long off the lows as well for 10 points on all of those on that idea. So overall solid ideas today. Hit rate was really high. The only thing I'm trying to find an equity trade that didn't work. We had ALTI. I don't know why I didn't talk about this one. We ended up grabbing long, and when it was extended to the downside for 5 points back to the upside. So that was a really nice trade idea there. And something that didn't work on the SONA. Tried a little bit long on this one. This one ended up not really doing anything for us. Ended up going up 15 cents coming back, and that was pretty much about it. So all in all, solid day. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Excited to see the market get continuation because it is holding above the hourly downtrend today. It is flagging on the daily. So if we can get back above and hold above this head and shoulders 421, I'm thinking we get some nice continuation to the upside tomorrow, and then we can potentially squeeze across the board. Anyways, guys, that's it. You want to come trade with us, you can certainly do so. Go to SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there. Any questions, feel free to reach out on Twitter or on the website. Happy to help, guys. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you later.